So you decided to deploy LoadProof in your distribution center, but are you running into one of these problems? Your people said they will get you the devices a month ago, and you are still waiting. Your IT department is so busy. You are tired of calling them again and again, and the only reply you get is, "Hey, we have this on our list. We will get back to you." You don't know when. Your people got the device for you, but now the picture quality is not good. The pictures are dark. Auto flash is not working, especially when you take pictures inside the trailer. It looks like the device is not compatible with the app. Your people got the device for you, but you know what? The mobile devices are not locked down. Your operators are downloading games and playing those games and also visiting inappropriate websites instead of getting the job done. Your people got the device, and one use case for your site is to take pictures of the documents. But the pictures you are getting are not sharp, and often you are not able to read what is in the documents, and the insurance company is rejecting these documents, and your vendors, customers, partners, they are saying, "Hey, we cannot use these pictures." Your people got the devices for you, then you tried using them, but the app was not working. Then your people realized, hey, the devices are not compatible. You know what? Now your people are asking you to send all these devices back and get another model, and now you are waiting again. So how do you avoid all these problems? By sourcing the devices from us. When you source the device from us, all you have to do is receive them, turn them on, connect to your Wi-Fi, start taking pictures using the LoadProof app. Instead of waiting for months to deploy the devices, you deploy the devices in minutes. Devices are 100% compatible with LoadProof app and preloaded with LoadProof app. Support both picture taking and video shooting modes effortlessly, and also support picture taking in dark areas as well as high-resolution pictures of documents with fine print. Devices are also locked down with our Lockdown app, meaning users cannot go to Facebook or YouTube or any inappropriate websites that they should not go to, and cannot download any apps that they are not supposed to. Enterprise-grade rugged devices with very good screen protector so the screens don't break. Devices also come with an optional maintenance plan, so just in case you break them, you can send it to us and we will ship compatible device replacement within 5 business days. So what are you waiting for? Order the devices from us, so all you have to do is 1. Receive them, 2. Connect them to your Wi-Fi, 3. Start taking great quality pictures and videos with LoadProof app, and 4. Prove that you did your job right and start saving on big chargeback dollars, freight claims, damage claims, rejected loads.